Lecture 2.2 Schematic Library Link. Do you notice that the components doesn't have a library link, or the components didn't show or reflect which footprint are they using? If you go to your library, your schematic library, and you click on each of the parts, you will not see which footprint it is using. You just see the model that it is pointing into the library, but the footprint is not reflected on the window. If you just double click on the footprint and follow as it is shown on the video, it will automatically link the footprint. You might think that you need to do this in all the parts, but there is another way. Just go to the schematic library, close the library, and then reopen it. Make sure you save all your files every time you do modifications. If you just open back the schematic library, do you notice that the footprint, the 3D view, is now enabled? You can see that all the parts are now reflecting the change on the footprint. To make sure all your parts are linked to the library, you go to Tools and pick Update from Libraries. Do you notice that there is a list of all the components you are using, and they show the library where they are linking into? If you try to update all the libraries, you are going to get errors because the libraries are pointing to a different library name. I'm going to show you a trick how to link all the parts. If you just right click when you have select a component and do a find similar, you can select all the parts in your schematic. Just select as I'm showing on the video, and you will be able to select all the parts that are used on the schematic. After that is done, you will get into the the schematic inspector, where it shows all the properties of the components that are selected. The trick part is you need to replace the library as it is shown on the video with the library name in your library, in your project. After you do that, if you do again the update from libraries, you will notice that now all the parts are pointing into the library. So now you are able to update all your parts and will get the details that you have in your library. You can click on the validate. After you know everything is okay, you can proceed with the execute. Now you have all your libraries in your schematic reflected. Make sure you save all the files. Now you have your schematic library with your schematic link.